Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 7, 2022, medium Sudoku. Fourth row, we have 1683. That four numbers can't come, there are three cells. It will come in one of the four cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, three numbers are remaining 4, 5, 7. Column B, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining 5 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth row, two numbers are remaining 2 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row and second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, we have 6. Column F, column G, column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Seventh grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 5, 6. Column H, column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining 3 and 5. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Ninth row, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, two numbers are remaining 7 and 8. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Third grade, two numbers are remaining 1 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third row, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, two numbers are remaining 3 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. First grade, two numbers are remaining 1 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Third row, two numbers are remaining 3 and 9. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column J, two numbers are remaining 3 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column H, two numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 9th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 9th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column E, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column B we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, column F, we have 7. Column D also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column C we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column C we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column F 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 5th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 5th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 5th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.